Hello everyone, it's Tom72 here. Now this is going to be quite different video. If you're not interested, that's alright, but this is for those who do care. I just got these Mattel Mutadon figure pack dinosaur thingy-bobbers at Walmart today, and I'm gonna upgrade them because I heard they suck, and they do suck, but I didn't know they sucked this much. So this is gonna be like a tutorial on me trying to make a dinosaur custom. Probably just gonna focus on upgrading the wings, maybe the leg articulation. We'll just see how it goes. I think we're gonna start with this one because it's just like, look at these wings. Like they don't even go all the way down. So I'm gonna see if I can take these out and then put Lego ball joints in here instead. Okay, it looks like there's like little screws right here. So I'm gonna see if I can like unscrew it somehow. Oh, so these are not screws, neither is it on the back, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might just like have to rip this whole thing off. I mean, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. So I kind of broke this off, but that's not exactly what I was intending to happen. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Okay, I got it loosened. I just need to figure out how to get this like whole thing fully popped out. Okay, I finally got it. It's a little damaged, but let's see what we're working with. Okay, so that still works. Let's see how this all works. Huh. So then how would I be able to get it go fully around? Let's see here. So it can only go down that far because of the spring. So we take off the spring. That's what the solution was for Jasper's figures. Just take off the spring. Okay, it's better, but we need it to go down further. But how do we do that? Okay, I can try taking off. Don't fall. So I could try snipping that, cutting that off. Not too sure. I'm gonna figure this out, chat. Okay, I really don't think there's any way to like fully do this, so I'm just gonna completely take off the joint mechanism on both sides, but clay and get the Lego ball joint. So I'll just use that, so it'll give it lots more range of motion. Lots. But I need to cover that up without giving this whole thing a new darn paint job. I mean, I could. I might as well, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay, I just got this one open. Looks a little different. Oh, I see. This mechanical part is still in, that's why. Okay, I just yanked it all out. Now we got this. Now I'm gonna put the ball joints in. And this is what the wings look like right now. It makes an annoying rattling noise. I gotta get this stuff out. It fell out just as I stopped it. Snipping it down. This is what this part is looking like with the super glue and clay. And here's what the ball joint section looks like. Time for the other side. And both sides done. Here is what this thingy is looking like. I'll update you guys once the glue dries more. And I'm back. It is not fully dry, but it's been a few hours, and this is pretty much what it's gonna look like when it's fully done. But yeah, look how much better that motion is. It can go all the way up here, and it can go all the way down. Let's make this better. And it can go all the way around. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. It wasn't too difficult to do this. It's so much better. Okay, now let's see if I can upgrade this one. I mean, it's not that bad, because it's fine the way it is. Like, it's all right. This is the walking one, and this is the one that's always seen flying or something. But yeah, and yeah, I mean, that's your tutorial, really. It's not much of a tutorial, actually, but whatever. There you go, guys. There you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me if you guys like this type of content, because I am planning some... Don't call me childish, but Fortnite customs is supposed to be Yandere 3000, the remix OG skin or whatever, and then this is gonna be Lorenzo from Chapter 4, Season 3. Yeah, whatever. And other duplicates of Fortnite figures I was turned into customs. I'm gonna paint this to be regular Renegade Raider. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, check out my memberships, check out my super chats, like super stickers, whatever you call them, I don't know, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yeah.